What's going on, guys? It's your boy Young Wavy here, man. I'm here at Bayway Dodge, man, about to look at this new vehicle, man. And we're gonna go ahead and get the video started, man. So let's go ahead and see what we're looking at. Deuces. Oh yeah, man, he's finna get the cold start. There she is right there. There she is right there. About to get the cold start going. Look at that. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Right, let's see. Oh yeah, this sucker is nice, y'all. We're gonna take this bad boy home, hopefully, man. So let's go ahead and give it a ride, man. Y'all see the vibes, man. Oh shit, man. Y'all see the whip, man. Y'all see the whip, man. Oh yeah. Y'all see that bad boy, man. That thing coming home with me. I guarantee it is. But man, it's something. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm taking this bad boy home. Got the Brembo brakes. Oh man, quit playing with him. He out here. Oh yeah, we getting that paperwork together. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it, getting that paperwork together, man. Man, y'all come pull up the Bayway Chrysler Jeep, whatever, CDJ or whatever. Y'all go see. Man, y'all see what the vibes is, man. My guy, Adon, man, y'all go see him, man. That Bayway, man, he just officially got the deal done, man. So let me give y'all one more cold start. Check that bad boy out, man. Appreciate it, man.
You're welcome, man.
Man.
Thanks.
Let's go ahead and take this bad boy for a spin, man. We out. Woo-wee. Oh, man. Let's go ahead and put the seatbelt on. Oh, yeah. Turn it down, man. Oh yeah. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and roll down the windows. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That is what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. I'm gonna give y'all one more, man. But yeah, we out, y'all, man. It's your boy Young Wavy, man. That's it, man. And shit, I'm too excited, bro. Y'all just don't know, man. But man, it's the end of the video, man. I finally got the SS. I finally got my dream car, man. So Stay tuned, man. It's going down. Holla at your boy. Deuces.